Here's A minor. If you know the chord E major, this chord will be quite easy. It's the same shape as E major, but you move every finger down a string. That's a really good way of remembering it. However, if you're coming to this fresh and you don't know either chord, let's take it right from the beginning. We start with finger 1, and we're going to place that on the first fret of the second string. So there's string 1, there's string 2. Next, I like to use finger 3 on fret 2 of the string above. That would be string 3. Finally, we've got the second finger, and we're going to place that on the second fret of the 4th string. When I strum this chord, I'm aiming to do 5 strings, starting from that 5th string there. The reason that is because the chord is called A minor, and that note is A. You're technically correct in strumming from the bass note, the A note, but you're kind of allowed to strum all 6 strings when I'm teaching. It's not something that I strictly enforce. I think it's one of those things that as you develop as a musician, you start to hear what sounds right with a song, or maybe if you're writing your own song, you can pick your own sounds and decide what you like. However, I just want to mention that the reason that E string, the thick E string, is allowed is because E is present in the chord of A minor. There are some chords, D major for instance, where you can't strum all the strings and just hope it sounds okay, because the note E is not present in that chord. Anyway, let's not get bogged down in too much theory. As A minor, good luck.